Suppose you want to charge your customers for items such as the storage space they consume, the number of emails they send, API calls they make, or even active users on their account. In Saaslogic, we call these resources, measurable items or services your customers consume and that you can bill them for. In this video, we'll show you how to add resources to your product so you can include them in your pricing plans. First, select the product you want to add resources to. Then head over to the Info section. In the Resources section, click Plus New Resource. In the window that opens, you can either create a new resource or select an existing one. Let's create a new resource. Enter the resource name. Choose the appropriate unit group. This is the category the resource belongs to. If you want the resource usage to reset at the start of each billing cycle, select Reset Value in Every Cycle. If you'll be reporting usage data via API or manual upload, select the option, Are you planning to report usage to Saaslogic? Choose the calculation type. This will determine how charges are calculated for the billing cycle. Click Save to create the resource. You'll now see it listed under the Resources section for that product. Now let's add another resource from the existing resources. To set up proration and overage calculations, click Show Advanced Configurations. Select how pricing is calculated for this product. Choose Prorated if you want charges adjusted for mid-cycle upgrades or downgrades. Next, set the overage method. This defines how usage beyond the limit is billed. For example, if a customer exceeds the allotted email sends for the month, the extra emails will be billed as overage. Next, enable Is Unit Level Enforceable if you want the associated resource to be available on a per-unit basis. For instance, assigning storage limits or API call quotas separately to each active user on an account. Lastly, enable Is Decimal Allowed to let customers be billed for fractional units of this resource. For example, charging for 1.5 gigabytes of storage or 2.75 hours of service instead of rounding up or down to whole units. Click Save to create the resource, which will then appear in the Product's Resources section. You can now link these resources to your pricing plans. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, our team is here to help. Reach out anytime at support@saaslogic.io.